The other benefit of having the removable motherboard tray is that installing the video card is going to be super easy. Check this out. I'm going to go ahead and just push in the 7970, and even though 7970 is taking up 2 card slots, and check this out, it's immediately just realized like, hey, like I'm not using the right card slot. So while it's not devastating if the motherboard drive bay is fixed, this is just actually making my life a little easier with it being free. So check that out. It's just take in the 7970, bam, just drop it straight in, and let me just make sure that it's loosened there, and that slot is loosened. So then we just drop this in and we just seesaw it in just like that. Very quick, very easy, and I have my video card installed. And check it out, this the 7970 R, or the MSI R7970 Lightning Edition, is 12 inches long, and it's one of the longest video cards out there. And check it out, it actually fits in the Thermaltake Level 10 case. So that is just super cool. And it looks like I have room. I don't have room for 3 of these if I wanted to run these in like crossfire mode, but I do have room for 2 of these in this case. Well, at least I'm confident that 2 of these guys should fit in there pretty nicely. But overall, just very simple to install video cards with the motherboard tray removed, and I highly recommend any kind of computer cases with the removable motherboard bay. Thanks for watching, and remember, everything matters.